In today's video, I am going to teach you how to work with Notebooklm. Notebooklm is designed to help you study and summarize information from your own sources like documents and web pages. The key idea is simple. You upload materials you trust, and then you use the built-in tools in chat to pull insights directly from those sources. To begin, open Notebooklm and look for the option that says plus create new. Click it to start a fresh notebook. Think of a notebook as a dedicated workspace for a single project, topic, or client. Starting with a new notebook helps keep your sources and notes organized, especially if you plan to work on more than one subject over time. Next, you will add your materials. Click Upload, then choose the source type you want to bring in. You can upload PDFs, add URLs from the web, or connect files from Google Drive. If you are adding multiple items, it helps to keep them focused on the same topic so the answers you get stay accurate and consistent. Also, use clean, readable documents whenever possible, since clearer source text usually leads to better responses. Once your sources are loaded, take a moment to look to the right sidebar. This is where you will find the notebook guides. You may see options like an audio overview, a video overview, and other guided features that help you explore what you uploaded. These guides are useful when you want a fast orientation before you begin asking detailed questions, or when you want to generate a high-level summary to anchor your work. Now you are ready to ask questions. Go to the chat box at the bottom and type a specific question. Specific is important here. Instead of asking something broad, ask for an exact detail, comparison, or takeaway tied to your sources. This helps Notebooklm respond more precisely and keeps the output grounded in what you provided. As you read the responses, save the ones you want to keep. Click the Save to Note icon on any response to pin it to your board. This is an easy way to build a collection of key findings, draft language, or quotes you plan to use later, without needing to copy and paste everything manually. That covers everything you need to know.